I got the new for the new year. Stay tuned as I show you how I got these lustrous curls. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Okay, I want you to stay around. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, today I am doing a new style. I am trying a new product from the Mielle Organics product line, and it's designed for type 4 hair, and I want to show you how I will use it on my type 4 hair. All right, let's get into it. So I'm starting out on freshly clean stretched hair. I use the stretch process, and I've uploaded a YouTube video to show you how I've done that. I'll make sure I'll link it down below. So right now I'm just basically separating my hair in sections and prepping it for the rollers. So the rollers I'm going to be using are the rod rollers in the large size. And this is the Curl Mousse, the Pomegranate and Honey Mousse from the Mielle Organics line. So I'm starting sectioning out my hair, and I'm going in with medium size sections because I want my hair to dry. So I'm applying the mousse to my hair, and I'm using a generous amount. My hair is dry, but I don't want to make it too wet because I don't want it to revert all the way. However, I want to make sure that all of the tresses or all of my hair is covered and of course detangled and prepared for the roller. This makes for a perfect rod set, or any set for that matter. So now I'm going in with the roller. I'm starting from the ends of the hair and rolling it a few times, making sure my ends are tucked, and just using that twisting motion to roll my hair all the way up to my scalp. And then of course attaching the ends of the rod to the snapping motion and making sure that it is secured. So now I'm just repeating that process and making sure my hair is detangled. Let me tell you, detangling the hair is very important for any type of rod set or any set. And I love this brush that I'm using. It's actually part of the TD Curl Cousin kit. So this brush is like a lifesaver when detangling and making sure my hair is straight. So going in with the detangling brush, using that mousse, making sure I'm getting enough of that mousse all over my hair, especially on my ends, and then taking that roller again, using the twisting motion and attaching it at the top near my scalp. Something to note, as I was rolling my hair, I noticed that I needed to actually part my sections a little bit smaller because I know I'm going to have to sit under the dryer, and I did not want to extend my drying process. So I did split those sections in half. So they're like small to medium sections just to get the curl size and curl definition that I wanted to get. And using that same detangling brush, making sure my hair is completely detangled before applying that rod roller and twisting it up and getting ready for styling. OMG guys, this is taking longer than I expected, but it will be all worth in the end. And of course the mousse is dropping everywhere, but listen, no mousse left behind. We're gonna use it all, okay? So I'm still rolling up my hair and making sure that every part of my hair is rolled up. I believe I used about 26 to 30 rollers to roll my hair. So yeah, I did take my time, and I did take my time separating each section. My hair is all rolled up. Now it's time for the drying process. I'll be applying this netted scarf, and this scarf will be tied tightly to secure my rollers just in case there's some loose, and it helps maintain them while it's drying. I will link this item down below, and I'm going in with my hooded dryer. This is the Beauty Pro hooded dryer. I actually purchased this from Amazon, and I'll be sure to link all of the items that I use down in the description box below. This dryer is, hooded dryer is really large, and I was surprised by the size, so I'm very happy with it. This is the dryer that you can just add any type of hair dryer to the ends of the opening and you're all set. I love this thing because it's super flexible. The hair is all dry. Now it's time for the big reveal. Whoa, OMG. What? Listen, my curls are looking good, okay? I love it. My hair is so soft. It doesn't give that crunchy feel. And luckily, I'm just glad my hair was dry. But yeah, my curls are feeling so lustrous and they are bouncy, and the definition is like ridiculous. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I'm continuing to take the rollers down and unraveling them carefully, making sure I don't disturb the curls. And voila, these are the results. I am like super surprised. The definition is all the way there. Like you can really see my curls and each like curl parts of my hair. And my hair feels so good and it smells so good. Look at that definition. Amazing. So now I'm going in with the Mielle's almond oil, and I'm applying some of that to my hands and applying it to my hair to help separate or assist in separating of the curls to prevent some of that frizz. And just taking my time and taking each curl and separating it in the sections that naturally separate. Then going in with one of my favorite picks and just picking out some of the roots to give me a little bit of volume. This is first day hair, so I don't want to overpick because I want this to last me a couple of days. But I am so loving the results. My hair is so bouncy, my curls are moving, and I'm really impressed with this one product rod set. All right, guys, the hair is all done, and these are the final results. I think I'm in love. Like, what do you think? You know I had to give you a whole slow-mo situation to show you how the curls just move from left to right, okay? But yes, I am in love. Tell me what you think. Comment down below and letting me know if you've used the Mielle Curl Mousse Pomegranate Honey line, and let me know what you think of my results. All right, guys, this is it for now. I'll be sure to link all of the items that I used in this style down in the description below. And be sure to like and subscribe this video because I know you love it because I love it. All right, guys, that is it for now. Ciao.